Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and OS so you choose the correct unlock method. Once done, charge the device above 20% and enable Wi-Fi or mobile data to access online recovery. Make sure you have the account username, recovery email, or backup PIN at hand because you will need them within minutes. Now power on the device and go straight to the lock screen. You will take the first actionable step there to initiate password or biometric recovery. You tap the Forgot option or choose the account sign and path, then follow the on-screen prompts to verify your recovery email or enter backup codes. This confirms your identity. If biometric is the issue, use the alternate PIN or pattern prompt and then reset biometrics in settings once unlocked. For factory unlocks, use Find My Device, iCloud, or the OEM recovery tool as directed, entering account credentials and approving the login confirmation to regain access securely. You finish by resetting your PIN, password, or pattern and reconfiguring biometrics so the device recognizes you reliably. Make sure to enable two-step recovery and save backup codes in a secure location. Once done, test lock and unlock once to confirm. If the account is still blocked or you cannot verify ownership, gather proof of purchase and photo ID, then contact OEM or carrier support for assisted recovery. This step often resolves edge cases where automated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.